and that's exactly what our profit is, but not too much. $86, guys, some profit here. Hello guys, welcome back to the Guru Trading channel. My name is Rocky. I'm here in the financial markets for the last 8 years, especially in this binary trading, doing educational videos for all of the people so that we can be making winning decisions in this market and win every single day. So if you like my videos already, I know you have subscribed, so we're not going to waste any more time and join this trading session today. So a lot of people are joining me right now. I know that when I'm giving the signals, and we're gonna get a short position here. Quickly, we took the short position here, you know, $90 short position. You can call it the redemption candle, guys. We saw that it's broke through the accumulation range, right? And we opened a downside deal. As you know, we're expecting a pullback. Obviously, in this kind of market, a pullback is like a very natural occurrence, judging by the overbought conditions, especially in the Williams oscillator. So in this case, what we can expect is a pullback, nice little pullback. We got a negative, I think. Still, I don't know if we have a negative. Buyers don't really give up, you know what I'm saying. So we didn't have enough time. Let's see if we have enough time to close this trade, guys, because we need to close this trade. I'm just not quite sure if I should continue living with this trade, and that's exactly what I got out with. A little bit unfortunate, but we tried to catch the market moves, guys. At the end of the day, I'm pretty sure we'll be identifying the global trend here, because just like you see, the consolidation phase has just started, unfortunately. So don't put all of your money here. We're going to try to catch this move again. So we're going to try to take another trade here with the same action, try to see if the indicator is telling the truth. So here we see the sell option here. We're trying to catch the move here, if it's available or not. The sell option is trying to get down here. So we're trying to catch this setup here. Sell options. So we see guys, this is like an overbought condition in the Williams SR is still remaining, guys. Plus the price is not moving any further. I don't see any movement here. Let's try to fix this, guys, negative, and go back to short. Like we tried to shorting this, and that's exactly what we are doing right now. That's exactly what I was thinking, and that's exactly where we're in, and that's exactly what our profit is, but not too much. $86, guys, just $86, and we still are in a loss because we started with 90 bucks. Man, this is super trend is also showing we're in a decline. This was a crazy move, guys. We still are in a loss right now, so I'm going to change it to Australian and CHF, guys. And I'll put some money here, increase it, and see how the market is going. We see some nice little gaps here. I'm going to try to draw a channel here. As you can see, if you can see, we start from the upper and face on the middle line. You can see the middle line here. So this middle line is the finished channel, right? So we try to open a deal for upside because that's what it shows. We're gonna put some money here. $86 is nice. You can put $86 because that's exactly what we all have. We don't have, we put all our funds here, guys. And now we are trying to head up with this buy position, because this is all we have. Sometimes when you have everything, you have to put everything and be the most confident what you are doing. Doesn't matter what you're doing, you have to put your all in. Sometimes that's part of the market, guys, and that's part of the way we trade in the financial markets. And guys, we are now seeing the super trend is also showing a buy position, but now market is going against us. This is how it is, what happens when you try to show me. But Williams is showing the market is in a consolidation, but we can still see the super trend is giving some strong signals. It is respecting the super trend indicators signals, so we can at least take some profit here. At least whatever we lost, $165, not a bad trade, guys, right? At least we're back in the game. Awesome, guys. This is how we made it. $165 right now, and we're going to now start the real trading from the next trades that I'm going to show. Now you're going to see how we're going to make the money back with this new trade. But overall, guys, the global position is worrying me, guys. We see some very global bad conditions. We are not certain. The fractals can help maybe in this case. We're trying to see with Australian CHF dollars. We're seeing the nice short trend with the trend is showing short, but we're going to see the breakout. We're going to have a resistance level here. And similarly, we're going to draw another line here to see if we have broken this particular resistance support. So I think it's a good time to take a short position here. So I'm gonna try to take a short position, and let's see how we can fare in this trade. So we have broken through the support level, guys. As you can see, we're breaking through the support level, and we can now read the downtrend along the channel, guys, right? It's very beautiful if you can see it that way, but the super trend indicator can be a little bit defective. Sometimes it shows wrong signals, and that's absolutely fine, guys. There's nothing to worry about, because once we know how the market condition is, that's very much important. So Williams is showing that we're in an oversold position, so carefully we have to observe all these indicators, guys, so that we have some advantage in the market. Because if you are not trading in the perfect zone, you will be able to not catch any of the trade and have to get out with the loss. And I think we are still having the same shit here. Unfortunately not. I just got out with whatever I had, $192. It's not too bad, guys, for the market here. Anyway, guys, this is not the kind of trade that I wanted to take, really, because this kind of trade is still oversold positions, but not giving a clear idea. So we're going to take Australian USD ATC. I'm going to put some more money that I win here, and I'll see that the living in a Williams channel is going well. So I'm probably gonna increase the funds to $140 and go for a buy position here. I should have drawn a parallel channel here, but unfortunately we had no time to do that. How the trend is moving is actually identifying the global trend is now becoming very difficult, because a lot of things going on in the world around us, and that's affecting the markets as well. So it's our job as the market players, our job is to identify the right opportunities so that we can make things right back to us. So as you see here, guys, we're at the bottom of the channel here, right? We're at the bottom of this trend. It's like a very difficult trade going on, guys. So we're seeing some nice growth. We might take some profits right around here, because we don't see any room for growth, but still having some good hammer candle here. And that's exactly what I'm gonna take out my profit, $268. Guys, the hammer candle gave us a good indication where we should be taking the funds away, guys, because this market is now consolidating market, and it's very hard to trade if you are not in a experienced position like me. Obviously I am giving you the best signals here in the binary options trade market, guys. So we are now gonna fall for a parallel channel. As you can see here, we're now heading for a parallel channel here, drawing this nice little channel, and we're gonna see how the trend is moving. So as just like the bottom of this channel, guys, we can see that we're waiting for a rebound up, So I'm gonna put like $140 intact and go for a long position for this rebound. We can catch this rebound and this position here, and we'll be set to go for a long option. Of course, guys, the power reserve on the options is showing us everything. All the power is showing go for a long trade, and that's what giving me a lot of confidence to take this kind of trade in the financial markets, especially in binary trading options market, where I've been trading for the last 8 years simultaneously, and just living my life. All of my updates you can see in my Telegram channel, my VIP Telegram channel. The link is down in the description box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, you can write a comment. Any questions, you can just DM me. I'm always waiting for you, and to see you how you're faring in this market. So guys, we are now back in our trade. We are in the zone right now. I'm probably gonna get out right now, and $268, guys, because I'm not ever greedy, guys. I don't like to take greedy things. I just take what I want and I get out of the market, and that's so easy, guys. So yeah, it was good trade. It was really good trade with Canadian CHE. We are $500 up with Q2 real. I'm probably gonna open a downside deal because we still can't get up in this trend. It was not even set up. The fractals are showing us the same thing, and a nice little three soldiers is forming. It's actually a short trade right away, and yeah, so we just opened a downside deal, and the large seller is now coming, and we are now quickly beginning to move down from the fractal resistance, guys. So the fractal resistance is like at 113.4, so that's the resistance we are watching, the fractal resistance. So our downside options, guys, there's like Williams power reserve here also watching, showing us what to do. So yeah, everything looks fine here. I might be getting out of this market, but unfortunately, if that happens, it's gonna be a great deal for us. Let's see if we can continue this further and see if we can make this money or not. Some big buyer is coming in. We can see some weird action in the Williams indicator. I probably should get out of this market. Yes, right, absolutely. $364. I just said it, and it's had happened, guys, because that's the guru move. That's the guru strategy. Everything happens with the right mindset. Your emotions cannot help you in this kind of game, guys. So we just made some good money, and now we're heading to the next trade. We are at the last trade of the day, guys. I'm gonna call it a break here. I'm gonna come back later. So we're gonna get with my favorite pair, guys, the Euro AUD. Hope I should take this trade or not. Just like some risky action going on. We're in an oversold position. We will open a downside position, guys, with 400 bucks, double our funds, and take a downside position. So we expect after the sideways move, the price will actually go down, and that's exactly what we're watching in the Williams SR. But we're still seeing some the trend is still a buy trend, because the super trend indicator is still showing us that we are still at a buy. So we still can't believe it, but we still want to take the opportunity for a rebound and overbought condition of this oscillator, because we saw there was like 2 times the fractals have showed that the resistance was not fulfilled. They couldn't break the resistance, and there was like twice there was a rejection from the upside. So shadows are now forming here. Nice little shadows is forming. The 3 red soldiers are coming in right now to do their action, and that's exactly where I'm gonna get out with my money doubled to 400 right before I got out of the market with $768, guys. This was my final trade of the day. We just made the Q2 real of $1,000 just like that, guys. And if you want to make more money like me and make your win chance high, you have to join my VIP Telegram channel, where I'm giving out signals every single day for you to make money and take opportunities together with me, and because I'm finding them from the ground like a diamond. So if you want to join, like my videos, if you have any questions, join my VIP Telegram channel as I told you, and write comments in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get this started. Until next time guys, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.